Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share with you Chrome Bookmarks, how to use Chrome Bookmarks. A bookmark is simply a tool used for marking. It is used to keep track of a reader's progress. Now, how to use bookmarks in Chrome and what it does. Bookmarks in Chrome can be used to save links of web pages. Now let's get started with bookmarks. How to use bookmarks in Chrome and how to save web pages link. Below this address bar you can see a bar. This is a bar which is called as a Bookmarks Bar. So all the bookmarks which are saved can be seen on this bar. There are two ways to bookmark a web page. You can bookmark with name, or you can simply bookmark web page icon. I find bookmarking with icon better than with name, as bookmarking a web page with name consumes a lot of space on this bar. Now let's bookmark this web page. Towards the right top, click on these three dots and go to bookmarks option. Here you will find bookmark this tab. To bookmark a single tab or web page, use this one, bookmark this tab. And to bookmark more than one tab or web pages, you can use bookmark all tabs. That means at once you can bookmark more than one tab. Now let's take a look how to bookmark a web page. To bookmark, click on this option, bookmark this tab. Next step, your default name is visible. You can also give your own name. Below is folder. You can choose folder, demo, new folder, new. These three are folders in bookmark. And next is bookmarks bar. That means this bar. If you choose folder, the web page will be saved in this folder. You can choose folder. You can also choose bookmarks bar. That is, it will be directly seen on this bar. And last option is other bookmarks. That means it will be saved on this right side folder. Now let's choose bookmarks bar. You can give name. Click on done. Here you can see web page, SPPU web page is bookmarked. So this is the way to bookmark using name. Now how to bookmark without name. For this, towards the right side again click on this three dots, bookmarks, and click bookmark this tab. And to bookmark without name, keep this text box blank and directly click on done. So here you can see you can bookmark without name also and with name also. So when you bookmark in a particular folder, you can just click here and you can see in this folder I have bookmarked these two web pages. Here this folder is empty. So on bookmarks bar, you can see all the web pages. You can also see folders also. Towards the right side, other bookmarks folder is visible. Over here, one tab is bookmark. In this way, you can bookmark with name and without name. So you can bookmark web page with name, or you can only bookmark icon. The next is how to bookmark all the tabs. So when you click on this, just click on save and a new folder is automatically created, and in that all the tabs at once are bookmarked. So 1, 2, 3 tabs are open and it is bookmarked in this folder. So when you bookmark all at once, so here you can give name to your folder and say save. Next is about bookmarks bar. The third option is show bookmarks bar. When you see tick here, that means the bar is visible. You can disable this bar. The bar will disappear. It will be invisible. Again click on bookmarks and click show bookmarks bar. The bar will be visible. So this tick indicates that bookmarks bar is enabled. Now let's see one more option about bookmark. that is Bookmark Manager. If you have a list of bookmarks, you can simply click on search option and find your bookmark page. Towards the left panel, you can see folders. You can also edit a bookmark web page. You can edit, delete, copy, paste, and you can do a lot of things with this. Towards the right top, you can see organize option. You can sort by name. You can add a new bookmark from here, add a folder. You can also import and export bookmarks. To remove a bookmark web page, first open the bookmark web page. For example, I want to remove Java T-Point website. Open this bookmark web page, then click on the star, click edit bookmark. Here you can see the name of the web page and click on remove. In this way, you can remove a bookmark web page. So this is all about bookmarks in Chrome. You can use bookmarks in Chrome to save web pages. Bookmarks helps a lot. It helps to save the web pages link. For example, today I'm reading or using this web page, and tomorrow I want to continue. What can I do is simply from this bar, using one click, I can open my web page and continue reading. When you bookmark a web page, you can easily access it anytime. Use bookmarks in Chrome to save your web pages link. Hit the like button, share and subscribe. Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.